Hi, my name is Muhammad Mudassir, and today I'm gonna explain like population, sample, what's the relation between population and sample, and the type of sampling. So first of all, what is population? Population is the entire group of like population, like which like entire group of individuals which we are going to study or analyze. And what is the sample is the subset of population, like we choose specific number of people from the whole entire population. And this is the subset of population. What is the relationship between population and sampling? For example, if we want to measure the height of, like if we want to know the height of whole adult women in Canada, so we can't do that. Like it's a big population of adult women, so we choose 100 like 100 or 1000 adult women, like on like we can say it's a sample of 1000 women, adult women. So on the basis of 1000 adult women, we choose the average, and then we can we can make a decision that how many women are like how many women in the whole Canada have this height and this is the like the relationship between the sample and the population. And moving on to the next, what is the random sampling? This is like every individual in random sampling, every individual has equal opportunity to be selected. The first type of random sampling is simple random sampling. It can be achieved by using the specific number generator method. For example, if we have 100 students, so we can give them specific number and then choose a random sample. Like if I want to take a sample of 10 from 100, so I can choose like 1, 3, 25, 27. That's the random sampling, like simple random sampling example. So the first next type of says like the random sampling is systematic sampling. It involves the like it involves the selecting the kth number. Like for example, if I want to take like systematic sampling and we have 1000 students, and if I want to take a sample of 10, so like after 100, so I will choose the one number, like I will choose the one student, like 100 student, then 200, then 300, then 400. If I want to take a sample of like 100, then I will choose a student on the basis of like 10th number, like 10th, 20, 30, 40 and 50, like that. This is the example of systematic sampling. In Stratford sampling, population is divided into subgroups, which is called as strata, based on their specific characteristics. Each subgroup is properly represented in the sample. So, for example, if we want to take if we want to know the voting behavior of citizens, so we can divide them on the basis of the age. For example, age from 18 to 31, then 32 to 44, and then 45 to like 60. That's the example of stratified sampling. And the last type is cluster sampling. In this, we divide the individual into groups, which is like called as cluster, based on their geography or organizations, and then a random sample of all the cluster is selected. So all the individuals chosen in the cluster are included in the sample. For example, if we want to know the health of students in school district, so we randomly select the schools, and all the students in the school which are selected are the part of that sampling. That's the types of sampling.